Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you my Louis Vuitton 6-key ring holder in the Damier Ebene. I didn't do an unboxing. This really isn't a review. I guess it's kind of like a haul, I guess. I don't know what I'm going to even name the title of this video. But anyway, I just want to share with you that I picked this up, that I've been loving it and using it, and kind of just share the facts about it. And then maybe by the end of the year, I will do like a update wear and tear video on it if that's something that you want to see. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment if you own this piece or you want to own it, or if you have any questions, just let me know below. I would love to hear your thoughts. So I got the 6-key ring holder. This is in the Damier Ebene. I really do want this in the monogram, but I will purchase that monogram key holder when I get a monogram purse. I got this to match my Neverfull MM, which after this, that video will then go live. So subscribe if you don't want to miss that, or come back and visit that video. But anyways, so this is what it looks like. It has Louis Vuitton square here. It says Louis Vuitton on the button. My button really isn't scratched up at all. You open it, it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, which is awesome. I did order this on the website. So people always say like, oh, don't order on the website, you won't get made in France pieces. Well, I did, so just to let you know. Then it opens up here. This is all one piece of canvas, so you only get to see that once, which is, you know, fine with me. But yeah, all one piece. You open it here. It does have this little pocket back here, which behind here, I do keep my insurance card and my registration card. Because obviously if I'm driving my car, I need those papers with me. So instead of keeping it in my glove box or whatever, or keeping it in my wallet, because now I use my key pouch as my wallet, I didn't want all this, you know, like random papers in my wallet and then by accident maybe losing them or whatever. So I thought this was like the perfect spot. And Shea Whitney gave away that idea in one of her videos, and I was like, oh, you solved all my problems. So yeah, that's where I keep that. And honestly, it's still just as flexible. It's not stiff. It doesn't feel bulky at all. Like, I strategically folded them in a way that it works. So love. I only have 3 keys in here, even though this is a 6-key ring holder. I thought about putting like some of my loyalty cards and stuff like that, but to be honest, I have a separate like little Coach one that I've been using since I was like a couponer. Still kind of is one. I don't even know if I'm a couponer anymore because I don't do it anymore. But I was thinking about putting some of my loyalty cards, like my like grocery store like loyalty card and stuff like that. But I just feel like it's just gonna look cluttered. So I probably should just take out the hooks that I'm not using. So I drive a Volkswagen Beetle. So I have my my key fob and I have my glove box key. Even though this still has a key here, but for whatever reason, I prefer to use this one to start my car. And then obviously my clicker I use to unlock my car and lock it and all that. And then I have my house key, which is so rinky-dink. I've been wanting to get a Hello Kitty one. I just keep forgetting when I go to Home Depot. Because before, Home Depot didn't have Hello Kitty keys. I had to get Minnie Mouse. So now I can go and get my Hello Kitty key. Anyway, so my metal here, I don't see any scratches. I do see some wear and tear on this one here. I just see, you know, just a little bit. But up here, I really don't. I do a lot of times will leave this one out, or I will leave this one out. And usually it's like for when I'm at work. But if I'm putting this in my purse, placing it in my purse, I will have all of them. I will have all of them in here. This does stick out a little bit. I need to get a different ring for the key to be on that's a little bit smaller and shorter, so that way it doesn't dangle so much. But if you can tell, it does bulk up just a little bit here, but it's not warping anything. My glazing still looks fine. People get a lot of glazing issues, obviously right here, because that's where it, you know, bends. I don't have any issues whatsoever. You know, I don't really notice anything. So I'm fine with it. But yeah, so this is my 6-key ring holder. I've been loving it since I got it in January. I absolutely adore it. I adore it enough that I want to get the monogram one. But yes, because my key here, it's too thick. This is too thick. It won't fit on the gold hoops here. So I had to use this thing, but this is too big and too long. So I need to get something shorter so it doesn't dangle out. but I haven't done that yet. Yeah, it doesn't really bother me. I know it'll probably bother like other people, but then sometimes I can just see how I just pushed it up. I can just push it up and it's fine. You know what I mean? So, but usually I will place it in my purse like this. So this isn't, you know, maybe going to poke it or something, because once you get a poke in your canvas, good luck. So a lot of people recommend these so your keys are put away. Your keys aren't going to scratch the interior of your handbag. Because if you think about it, most of these interior handbags of Louis Vuitton, I mean, to me, they're pretty fragile. They're not, you know, it's not leather. It's like a cloth or a suede or something. So, you know, definitely you don't want to be poking the inside of your bag. And plus your keys are dirty anyway. I do love the fact that this is dark on the inside. I was thinking about getting the rose ballerine, but seeing how many, like, I watched so many videos on that one and everyone's is just so dirty on the inside. I was like, yeah, I don't want it to show wear that fast, you know? I want to have something for at least a long time before it really starts to look dingy. I do want to get this hot stamped with my initials. So I just, I don't know. I don't know if I want to get 2 initials or just like an N for Natalie, which is my name. So I think I might just get an N. I don't know. I feel like with women who are married and stuff, I don't know. I don't know, like, do people, because some people use their maiden name for their hot stamping. Some people use their married name. I feel like everyone's like different. So I might just get a big N. I think that is just on the safe side. So anyway, not like saying anything like that, like marriage isn't going to last, but I just mean like, cause I don't know what to do. Like, should I get my married name? Should I get my maiden name? Or should I just do an N? And I think I might just do an N. I think I kind of like a big N versus, 2 smaller letters anyway. Okay, I hope that sounds like really bad or something, but I don't know what to do. And I feel like women always have that, problem. And I feel like I watch so many videos where people are like, oh, in this purse I got my maiden name initials, even though I was married. It wasn't like they did it beforehand. And then this handbag, I use my married initials, or in this bag I use the nickname initials. So, whatever. So I definitely want to get my items hot stamped for sure. So I definitely want to do like a big N, like right here in gold. I think that would be so pretty. So I'm happy that I got a piece that's made in France. I mean, that's pretty cool, especially because nowadays they're not even like, I feel like they're not saying that anymore. And they're like, people are saying they're outsourcing their bags, because my Neverfull does not state like made in France, although the code says it was made here. You know what I mean? So it doesn't say like made in the USA. It just says Louis Vuitton Paris. But the date code, it was made in the US. So, I mean, it doesn't matter to me. I mean, even though, yeah, it's cool, but I'm not going to like seek out a bag and go high and low and crazy for something made in France. If it was made in Spain, I mean, who really cares? It should be the same standards everywhere. And if it's not, then that's a problem. I know some people have done videos on like versus made in USA versus made in France. I haven't really watched that many videos, so I think I watched one and nothing was different. So I don't know, but you let me know your opinion. I know there's so many Louis Vuitton addicts out there, especially on YouTube, because I feel like that's all the videos I watch anymore. I'm addicted. I really, really just want so many small leather goods, SLGs. I'm obsessed. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my thoughts on this. Sorry, this video was like way longer than what I intended it to be. Definitely check out my other Louis Vuitton videos below. I don't have that many, but hopefully there's more to come, and I will have my Neverfull video on after this. So definitely check that out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.